We are in the Plaza de las Cols of Vilanova la Geltrú, and for me this is a bit of a sad moment, in fact, because what we have in front of us is the last big human tower we will see in Vilanova this year, 2011. And now until the day of Sant Jordi in April 2012, there will be very few human towers built in the squares of Catalonia. Having said that, this is an opportunity for Jove Xiquets de Vilafranca to show us all what a great team they have become, although they have only existed for 1 year. Now, as you all know, they come from a town which is famous for human towers. The town Vilafranca is only 15 minutes away from here. The best team of Catalonia, Xiquets de Vilafranca, they have another team which made human towers on 8 levels, Xiquets de Vilafranca. And now this team, Jove Xiquets de Vilafranca, who rapidly have become a stable team building human towers of 7 levels. They didn't manage with their 5x7 in that set earlier here today. It was collapsed before crowning. But with this human tower, I believe they will manage. Can tell you that they are working a lot at the level of Sagons, the second level down at the base of the human tower. But it has been crowned. The Josses seem very convinced, so there shouldn't be any big problems with this. Let's move down, we see how the Sagons are working there. Now there is no doubt about it, this will be descarregat, it will be completed. So for this day of human tower, which hasn't turned out as many of us hoped today, we at least had a very nice ending. Cresta set, descarregat, completed by Jove Xiquets de Vilafranca in Vilanova la Geltrú, Catalonia 2011.